Blessed Squad, what's going on with y'all, man? It's your boy, Blessed Applesauce, here to bless y'all with another video here on Blessed to Invest. And today I'm here to talk about Fidelity Active Trader Pro and give y'all my first impressions on how the platform is working. Do I like it? Do I hate it? Etc. etc. And should you download this platform? Before we get into it though, make sure you spam the like button, and also sub down below for more content like this, because I will be doing more videos in the future just like this on investing, etc. So let's get into it. So this is Fidelity Active Trader Pro, and as you can see right now, the market's closed, so you're not going to be able to see everything that goes along with the platform because it's like the closed version. But overall, I like the platform. I've been trading on it for about, I want to say a couple months now. I don't physically trade on it. I have a lot of my money in other trading platforms, but I have this here just to test it out, just to see what it's like. And I like it so far. It's not as good as TD Ameritrade, and there's a couple of reasons why, and we're going to look at that now. First and foremost, as you can see, the charts are not as clean. As you can see, these the red and green candles right here, they're not as clean. They don't work as well. And my personal opinion, I just don't like the style of them. You can change it, you can edit the chart, but me personally, I'm not the biggest fan of these charts for this one. But as you can see, same way on a standard trading platform, you can go to your 5-day, your 2-day, your 4, your year to date, your 6 month, etc. So you can change up the time frame on your chart just like any other platform, which is cool. So that's nice about this one. And you also have the volume here, which is great as well on the bottom. With this platform, it reminds me a little bit of Dash Trader, how you can it gives you a window already, and you can open it up and you can kind of move the boxes within this given window. If anybody's familiar with Dash Trader, you know exactly what I'm talking about. How you can you get your big screen, and then you can maneuver these little screens around based on how you want them, which is nice. I really appreciate that. That's one thing I do wish TD Ameritrade did. Not to compare the two, but I do wish TD Ameritrade had a platform like this where you can move the screens, which this helps. This is nice. One other positive about this thing, you can't see it right now, but this given screen right here, I have to say this is probably this is my level 2 window right here. You're not going to be able to see it right now because the market's closed, but this is going to be your trading montage where you'll have your level 2, your time and sales. You'll be able to put your orders in, and you'll be able to like change your stocks and stuff. This right here is probably the best free one you can get your hands on. The level 2 is really solid. The time and sales is really solid. The montage is really nice how this is set up, and it's really smooth. Like if you compare it to TD, I'm not trying to make a complete comparison video, but if you compare it to TD Ameritrade is really choppy with their quotes. They don't come out very clean. But with this platform, while the market is on, all the quotes come out really clean and really smooth, and I really appreciate that from Fidelity. Really enjoy that. You're able to get your prices a little bit faster than other brokerages. I've noticed that because I'll have multiple brokerages on. So I'll have my Dash Trader, I'll have this up, and then I'll also have TD Ameritrade up. TD tends to be the slowest. Dash Trader tends to be about the same. Sometimes it lags a little bit, but Fidelity just happens to be on point with their quotes, which is really nice if you want to trade on this platform. So up top, you're going to have your alerts where you can set price alerts similar to any other platform. They also have an app where you can connect your brokerage platform. So let's say you make some moves on this trading platform. I don't know, maybe you want to put like a support and resistance line here or some type of alert. It will notify you on your phone when some type of price is met or whatever you put on this on the particular chart here on your desktop on this on your phone, which is nice as well. So it has a layout screen where you can go from your option window if you want to do that. If you want to add new charts, let's say, let's edit this up. I'm not trying to. 1 second. Let's open this up a little bit and show you. So you just add another chart. Let's say you want to add a new one. Voila, pop another chart on there. Wait for this thing to load. Voila, and then you can kind of drag it over and put it, right here if you want to. So voila, there goes your new chart, and you can slide it in that window right here. This one is going to be your sidebar window, so you can open and close this one. Very similar to TD, where TD has it on the left hand side here. This one just has it on the right, so you can slide your charts or whatever you want to put in there. That's really cool. I really like that, so you can kind of just get it out the way if you don't want it, but if you need it and you want to see it, boom, there it is, and you can put different windows right there. So yeah, that's how it works. It has a news and research section, so you can add, like, let's say you have your mutual fund or your ETFs, or you have just your stock portfolio and want to take a look at that. This is where you would take advantage of that. It has options. I don't really mess with options, but this is where you would get your options. Also, you have your quotes, your time and sales, and all this stuff pops up like windows. The same way this chart does, this would pop up, and then you can just place it on the screen here wherever you wanna put it. So it's really customizable. I like that. Again, reminds me of like a Dosh trader, where you can just customize the way you want your platform to look. So if you want your chart over here, if you want to make it a little smaller, a little bigger, if you want to add some trend lines and stuff like that, add some technical analysis, you can add that there. I like to keep my charts nice and bare. That's just me personally, but if you want to add that, you can add some indicators right here. They have a lot of different indicators to choose from. I'm not going to add any of these, but you can see how they're popping up down bottom here. So we have the MACD, and as you can see, again with the chart, just being on TD Ameritrade, I think I've got kind of spoiled with how nice the charts look. But for me, I just don't like how these charts open up. They just don't look as clean. They're not as clear. But that's just personal preference. If you like the color of these, that's on you. But as you can see, this is how it's going to look when you're looking at the individual charts and the different indicators that you want to add on there. So as the indicators here, it has a little draw tool. It's also nice how you can, I forgot to notice, you can add different windows. So let's say you wanted to have like today on here. So this would be today. And then maybe you want to add this to like a 5-day or something like that. Change this up. So you have some options where you can go. Let's say you have AMD. So we can see AMD. If you want a 1 minute, this would be your 1 minute. And then you have a 5-day. And then if you want to do like a 1 year, you can have all those pop up, and you just have to switch out. Boom, 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 like that to get each of your charts. One thing that I like more about Dosh Trader is how it has the hotkeys. This one does not have hotkeys. That's one reason why I won't trade on this platform day trade wise. If I'm doing like some slow swing trades or maybe like some long-term positions, I definitely will mess with the hotkeys, mess with the trade. But hotkeys wise, it's not that great. It has a couple of keys on there, kind of played with a little bit, but I definitely think if you want hotkeys, don't use this platform. Go to Dosh Trader or like a Sterling Pro or something that specializes in day trading setups, because this is not the platform you want to use if you're trading positions very, very fast. It's good to trade positions on this, but not super fast on here. But overall, really, this platform is solid. It gives you everything you need. The quotes are solid. The charts are pretty decent. It gives you all the indicators that you would want. I mean, maybe if you have like some weird indicator you want to add on there, maybe you won't be able to do that customizable, but 90% of the indicators that every day trader or trader uses is going to be on here, and you can just play with it and customize this thing however you want to maneuver your chart. So I do recommend this platform. It's really nice. Would I pick it over the current platforms I use, TD Ameritrade and Dosh Trader? No, I would not. But this is a solid platform. It is free. And just because I wouldn't pick it over the current platforms I use today doesn't mean it's not solid. I can say over the platforms I use, I do like it for the mutual funds and the ETFs that it has. That's really nice. It's better than TD when it comes to mutual funds. They're a lot cheaper and just easier to work with. And I think the customer service is a little bit better than TD. They get back to you a little bit faster. TD used to be nice, but it's been slacking as of like the last 2 years, I want to say, on the customer service. But that is my video for Fidelity. There's my impressions on Fidelity after me using it for a couple of months now. Let me know down in the comment section down below if you want an in-depth video, like a tutorial how to get through everything. This was just kind of like a quick overview of how the platform works and how it looks. But let me know if you have any questions. Leave them in the comment section down below. And that's going to wrap it up. It's been your boy, Blessed Applesauce. Stay blessed. And I'm going to see y'all next time on Blessed to Invest.
Just to see tomorrow is a blessing. Stay prayed up is the message. Everything about a nigga blessed. Everything about a nigga blessed.